At first glance, iOS 27 doesn't sound revolutionary. There are no reports of a dramatic redesign or headline features meant to dominate keynote presentations. Instead, the focus appears to be on code cleanup, internal restructuring, and subtle interface refinements, all aimed at one core objective: efficiency. And in the world of operating systems, efficiency is power. Modern iOS builds are extraordinarily complex. They support multiple generations of hardware, advanced AI processing, layered security systems, real-time graphics rendering, and thousands of background operations running every hour. Over time, even a tightly controlled ecosystem accumulates technical overhead, legacy frameworks, redundant services, and process scheduling inefficiencies. A cleanup cycle suggests Apple is addressing that technical debt at a foundational level. We've seen this strategy before. When Apple prioritized performance optimization in updates like iOS 12, the result wasn't flashy, it was transformational. Older devices became faster. Animations smoothed out. App launch times improved. The gains came not from adding features, but from refining the architecture underneath them. Battery life is where this becomes most significant. Every background refresh, AI-driven suggestion, location ping, and widget update consumes power. Even marginal inefficiencies compound across a full day of use. Code-level optimization can improve memory allocation, reduce unnecessary wake cycles, and enhance how tasks are scheduled across Apple Silicon cores. That translates directly into longer screen on time and less idle drain. Interface tweaks also matter. UI animations, transparency layers, and dynamic effects require GPU resources. Streamlining those visual frameworks can reduce processing overhead, lower thermal output, and indirectly preserve battery life. Efficiency is not only about background code, it's about how the entire system behaves under load. There's also a strategic signal here. As Apple expands on device AI and machine learning, computational demands increase. Optimizing iOS now may be about preparing the platform for heavier AI workloads in the future without sacrificing endurance or stability. If executed correctly, iOS 27 won't trend because of new icons or redesigned widgets. It will trend because devices feel smoother, last longer, and run cooler. Sometimes the most important upgrades aren't visible, they're structural. And if this update delivers meaningful efficiency gains, it could quietly become one of the most impactful refinements in iOS history.